everyone, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make some slime, so let's get right into making it. First in a bowl you're going to add your PVA glue. Okay, hold on, yes. So now we're going to add some hair conditioner into this. And 5 pumps of hand lotion. I'm going to give this a good stir. Now I'm going to color it up. You can use food coloring or something else you want to. I'm using paint here. Okay, so now I'm going to give this a good stir up. Okay, so now I'm going to add my activator. By the way, I'm using borax here. There's a little more activator, so I'm going to add that. I think our slime is ready, so I'm going to go in with my hands here. So I'm going to knead this slime up and be right back. So I kneaded the slime up and it's turned really clicky, really glossy, super nice. So now I'm going to give you guys some ASMR. A little rippy. So after your slime is done, you can store it into a container. Noises. So we're done with the slime, and thanks for watching this video, and subscribe, like, comment and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.